to Lamomo Neon. Spring is just around the corner, and if you are planning to a room makeover, you don't want to miss what I have in store today. Make sure to subscribe and stick around till the end because there is a special surprise waiting just for you. Let's start from our dream mushroom-shaped neon lights. If your room's vibe is all pink, this one is the best choice. You will see a beautifully carved heart on the mushroom cap. The background is done with semi-transparent UV printing. Next up is our classic acrylic, featuring a classic color scheme and a clear back panel that shows its lines. This little gem reminds me of the mushroom Mario collects, with a color scheme inspired by a breathtaking sunset. Tiny dots dot the design like little suns. Now let's move on to some adorable animal designs. Check out this little bunny gently hanging a heart. It's just perfect for quietly accompanying you in your room. There's also another tiny bunny idea for decorating your desk. With either just around the corner, imagine pairing it with some eggs for a fantasy photo op. And here's a little dog ready to give you a rose. Plus, you can check out our cats and fox designs on Lamomo neon.com. Since these are mainly white, they look even better than paired with light colored wallpaper for that extra pop. Next, I want to share two designs that are my personal favorites. Look at this one. Does it look like a flowering flower? The centerpiece features an inlaid flower-shaped mirror. Perfect for taking photos. And this is designed to sit right next to a book. So try to match it with your other desk decor for endlessly fun combinations. These pieces are ideal if you love dopamine-inspired aesthetics. They just radiate good vibes. Now let's talk about our print neon light. Our Daisy neon uses carving too. When it's off, only white. But when you switch it on, the flower center lights up in a different color. And how many of you have a mascara for decor? Try this neon mascara. You can press it like this or like this. That sprouted leaf gives off such a spring vibe. If you are into green, you won't want to miss it. Here's our Sakura neon, a super girly design that's perfect for girls that set up. That is for our spring new arrivals. Visit our website now to enjoy a 20% limited time discount. We'll be hosting a giveaway soon, giving away the neon lights. We just showcase which design is your favorite. Share your thoughts in the comments below.